Everyone, hope you're all well. I'm here today to film one of my infamous Zara hauls. I feel like I haven't filmed one in a while. I don't think I filmed one last month because although I bought stuff, I didn't have a lot of just Zara items. So I thought, let me just get a load of stuff. It's obviously really cold now here in the UK and I feel like my knitwear game needs to be upped. So there's, I think, some knitwear in here. There's some other cool stuff and I feel like Zara, I'm really weird in between sizes at the moment. I don't know if their sizing has changed or it's just me, but I'm constantly like buying something and then going like, no, I should have got this in this size and no, I should have got this in that size. So that's been really frustrating, but you guys know I still love it. Comment down below if you still love a Zara haul and let's start November off right with my favorite video. I'm so excited, it's like Christmas. I also have some stuff that I've just bought like recently from there and that I want to show you guys, so you guys really are in luck. I'm gonna just start off with what I'm wearing. Also, if the lighting isn't great, like I think I have a shadow behind me. I've tried to fix it, but I'm filming really late in the evening because it's getting dark in the UK at like 4 PM now, so it's just hard life and I'm really busy this week. So we start off with Zara package numero uno. And even though with Zara, like I order the night before and get it the next day, I still always forget what I ordered. I can very vaguely remember a really nice blue cardigan that I'm dying to get my hands on. But other than that, okay, come on. I'm just hoping, because recently I'm literally ordering doubles in sizes of everything and I hate doing that because obviously you spend so much money. I've just broken the seal. Okay, first thing, I really wanted to update my leather jacket game, but I don't know if I like this. I bought a gorgeous like boyfriend style leather jacket from the TRF section years ago and I think I gave it to my sister. This is a leather jacket from the TRF section. I'm just going to show it like this because my camera lighting is going to go all weird. It's real leather, but I don't know if I like the hardware on it. Like I'm really fussy when it comes to hardware. It's just a bit, I don't know, we'll try it on. I'm gonna probably do the try on portion of this video tomorrow because it's that late. So we got that. I think that was like £150, but it's a real leather one and I've really been looking for a boyfriend style one again because I want it to fit a bit more boyfriend style, but I haven't found it. So fingers crossed and toes on that one. Oh my God, this is so nice. So it's got a high neck. The only thing that please, if someone else understands the struggle, I will get makeup on this within 0.01 seconds. Like, it's gonna be orange within like the minute I put on. So that's the only thing with these kind of jumpers, like, because when you move your head, and especially me, because when I'm checking prescriptions, like my head is down, so my chin, which the double chinage is real, always touches my jumpers. So the drama of phone calls, honestly, I can't. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep this because I feel like I need a jumper like this in my life. Also, I know this setup probably isn't the best because normally I film a bit more zoomed out, but I've got this setup like this from another video and like I said, it's too late for me to like move around. So I'm gonna do cutaways anyway, but yeah, I like the fact it's more tightly fitted and it's the kind of thing that I've got a pair of pinstripe blue trousers from Mango that I bought for work and I haven't been able to wear them with anything because they're kind of like a, you know what I mean? You know when you've got something that you're like, oh, I kind of want to wear this with it and you've got vision. This is only £30, which for knitwear is a thumbs up for me and it's really soft. So thank you very much, Zara. And I got it in a medium. You guys know that I buy a lot of like practical stuff. We come to box number 2. My delivery driver today, he came yesterday because I've got so many packages coming this week. And he just like looked at me like, you and your packages, like, I was like, good morning. And he was like, can you take the first box, please? I was like, okay, sorry. Anyway, this is box number 2. There we go. Ooh, yes, this is the bit I'm excited about. Okay, I'm a psycho, so I bought 2 lots. So I got these cardigans, and again, I think it's gonna be way easier to show on, but these are £50, which again, not super bad for knitwear. And other stories, H&M Trend charge like £70–80 for knitwear, so 50, I feel like 30 to 50 is like a really reasonable amount. So this is the cream version. Again, it's gonna mean nothing off, but I will show it to you guys on. It's just a wraparound cardigan, and I got this in a size small because stuff like this, you don't need to get it, you know, it's already oversized. And I'm really looking forward to wearing this with some midi skirts. I feel like that would look really cool. Cardigans are everywhere this season, and this is obviously the cream version, but this is the bit I've been excited for. I'm drooling over this color, like you saw a sneak peek of it. Okay, I feel like I'm probably gonna keep this color because it's stunning. Where are you? And I got this in the same size, and it was the same amount of money. But again, I'm not gonna show it to you guys properly like this, so apologies, but oh my god, look at this color. As I said, it's just a wraparound cardigan. The sleeves are really long. That's the wraparound bit. I'm gonna film this tomorrow. And yeah, like look at this color. Like that just makes me so happy. And I love this kind of knitwear because I feel like you don't have to wear a coat over it. Like if you layer up really well, you can get away with just wearing that. So this is not in this order, but I have just bought this. I've already worn the black one, but I bought this. Oh my god, the color. I'm so into this camera and this lighting. There we go. When I do it slowly, it kind of adjusts a little bit. No, it's not going to. Okay, so we'll do it like this. It's a brown silk cowl neck cami, and this kind of thing for me is just basic. And like yesterday, for example, I wore a black polo, the black version of this, and a blazer, and it's just 90s dream. I don't love my arms, so I wouldn't wear this like just like this, but if I had the arms, like I would go to town. I would wear a cami everywhere. Then we come on to the other stuff that I have bought. I haven't worn this, and I kind of was like, oh, should I return it? But I love it because I feel like it's really 90s, so I'm keeping it. Oh my god, this camera. This color jacket is just everything. It's like a muted pale nude shade, and it's belted. It's just a blazer that I just would need in my life, and I wish they almost did this in a black, but they don't. They only do it in this color. So I haven't worn it yet just because it's been like either really warm or really cold, and I just haven't had a chance just with work. But I feel like, even for example, this is kind of a look, you know, like little cami, this, oh my god, jeans, done. So that wasn't cheap, but it wasn't super expensive. It was 50. So for Zara, I don't think that's bad. Then we come on to this, which is the black version of the brown little cami that you saw. As I said, I've worn it already, and even for work, I would literally wear a black polo, this, and a blazer, and it's just like an added layer. Super stunning. It's got like a cowl neck. It's like not really long, which I like actually, because you can tuck it in, and I just feel like this is a basic, and these are £20. I will try and link some similar ones down below if I find them, but I feel like also I try and do that with everything everything that you see here. I know probably people think like uploading a YouTube video is really easy, but I'm telling you, the bottom bar is work. Like I probably spend an hour sorting out the bottom bar alone. Then we come on to this, which has been a piece that I have just worn and worn and worn this winter for work, and it's a green, again, I'm loving the greens, shirt, and it's just gorgeous. I think I got this slightly too oversized though. I think I got this in a size, yeah, I got this in a size medium, and I could have totally done this small. I've been loving wearing it with this, for example, which is a green, really thin polo. Don't look at me. This I'm already too cold in for work, and I feel like I need to double them up because I've got two of them in the same color. But this, like, I will wear a vest, this, and this, and then I've also even done a blazer, and I do like a whole green look, and then I belt the shirt, and I love it. I was wearing this, I was in a store that I don't normally work at often, and I was just going for my lunch. I was going to Pret, and this lady literally stopped me and was like, I love your outfit. And I was like, I've never had that before. But you know when you just get like nice compliments from people? So my thing is, just don't be afraid to layer, especially if you're someone like me and you work and you just get so unbelievably bored and also cold. Like, you know what I mean? Like, layer up. It just looks really, I think, effortless and cute. Then Zara's doing these, which I don't know if I like as much, but I feel like I need a slightly thicker polo, so that's why I bought them. I got two really good colors. Again, I'm loving this kind of chocolate color, and again, this, please go with me on this. This layered over this is a vibe. I just love the layered cami look. I feel like I was doing it last year with shirts. I was doing a cami over a shirt. So yeah, a chocolate, sort of chocolate burgundy color polo. which is £30, so it's not as cheap as the other ones. I think the really thin green one, I have a black version as well, is like £12, and I will obviously try and link similar ones that are even cheaper down below. And then I got this colour, which I don't know if I'm going to keep this colour. I will definitely probably keep the maroon shade, but this is more of a like a olive. It looks more orange in the camera, but it kind of looks like a olive green brown shade, and I get these in a medium. So we will see what we do with that. But I thought this would look really cool layered again. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this shirt either. I feel like if I don't wear it within the next week, I might think it's a bit too loud. Because, for example, this shirt that I'm wearing now is quite subdued. The pattern is like a black and a green, whereas, whoa, snakeskin. I love snakeskin. Like, I just think it's such a cool print. I've loved snakeskin for ages. I've got so many pairs of shoes that are snakeskin, like, print. I don't know if it's a bit too much. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. Is snakeskin shirts a vibe or not really? This was only $25.99, which I thought would be way more expensive from Zara. But I thought this would like, I don't know, what do we think? That's the thing, it's like, what do I wear it with? I feel like this with jeans will probably be the best bet because it will tone it down. For work with black trousers obviously and a black polo under it, or like this one for example, or the brown one that I got. So there's lots of things you can do with it, but I don't know, I know it's only £25, but then I got this because I really do need to try and wear more skirts, even in the winter. And I loved this. I don't feel like I've seen it, or I feel like I've seen it, but then I haven't paid attention to it. And it's this gorgeous little mini skirt. It's in like a check. I don't know, it's not really is it tartan? I guess it is tartan, but I loved the colors in it. I think this style of skirt is called A-line, I wanna say. So yeah, I really like this. And I think it was $29.99 and I got it in a medium. Then I got a hat, which I can definitely link similar ones to this down below because they're everywhere. I wear this kind of stuff all the time. You know, when you've just got that kind of like, you know, when you're on like third day hair, when you're just pushing it, like for example me today where I do this kind of hairstyle, but otherwise I don't like washing my hair a lot, guys. I don't know, do people nowadays wash their hair every day? I cannot be bothered for the life of me. If I had really nice poker straight hair, like I would, but when you have curly hair, guys, let me know down below if you're the same. The struggle is real, and I just feel like, I don't know, I have hairdressers in my family and everyone tells me not to wash my hair every day. So yeah, this is for dirty hair days when I just want to do white tee, leather jacket. So we'll try it with that leather jacket that I got. But again, I don't know if I like the hardware, and beanies. This is perfection. I only got one jewelry piece, which for Zara is quite shocking for me because I feel like I own their whole jewelry collection, and it's these acetate earrings. I feel like I have so many of these, but I'm kind of a bit sick of them and I think I'm going to pass them on to my sister. But I really liked these for days, again, with my hair like this. I like a statement earring, and yeah, I just really liked them. I think with just a black blazer, I think they'll look really cool. But I think that is it. So let me know what you guys are loving from Zara. Leave me links to stuff down below. I know this sounds really weird, but I love knowing what people buy from Zara. I literally type in Zara hauls like into YouTube searches all the time just to see people's hauls. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below by liking it, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.